Hey mama, if today feels messy, tiring, or just too much, same, let's take this one soft step together. No pressure, no stress. This is my hand pump. I love it because it's simple, quiet, and super easy to use. No wires, no noise, just me, my hands, and a calm little moment. Find a comfy spot, relax your shoulders, and take a breath. Seriously, being chill helps more than we think. Place the pump gently and adjust it until it feels good. If it hurts, move it a bit. Comfort is the goal, not pain. Start with slow squeezes to get things going, then keep a rhythm that feels natural for you. If your hand gets tired, pause. It's totally okay. You can lightly massage while pumping if that helps the flow. There's no right amount and no perfect speed. Your body does its own thing. Just do what feels okay for you today. This is what I got this time. Some days it's more, some days it's less. Both are normal. You're still doing amazing, no matter the amount. That's it for now, mama. Thanks for hanging out with me for this little moment. See you in the next one.